Hey, this will be a video chart on ADSV. Been getting some questions on it. Seems like a few people are panicking, but just looking at the chart, I don't know what's going on from a fundamental standpoint. But the chart's hanging in there fine. Just looks like some profit takers have hit it, but in terms of support levels holding that you would want to see hold, that would suggest that it's a healthy consolidation. All those levels are holding. And what's nice about this chart is it actually gives us a good little example within the chart of what we want to see continue to happen. So that's where we'll start. So going back through the history of the chart, we can see that here the price surged in volume. You can see down here volume increased, price surged, and then it went sideways for a little bit. And we had kind of a little period here where I'm sure not everybody was exactly happy, but price went sideways, and then you can see here that the volume returned and the price just made another nice move up. So that's pretty much where we are right now, and I wanted to point this out because when I say we want to see past history repeat itself, this is the exact past history that I'm referring to. Once again, we'll change the colors. We had a big surge up in price, and we correlate that with this increasing volume, and now the price is going sideways. I would like to have seen volume drop off a little bit more, like it did here during the sideways consolidation period. But at the end of the day, price action is the king indicator, and the price has been holding, so that's what's going to matter. So what is the key level that we want to see continue to hold going forward? Well, ideally, I'd like to see this level right here be able to hold, which is right up around the 0.0022 level. Now, if it doesn't hold, that doesn't mean that the chart is toast in history and everybody should freak out. But if you were to ask me ideally what level would I like to see hold, this level here would be my answer. Now, if it doesn't, there's another level of support, and that's simply going back to right here, this previous high at 0.0014. So this will be another ideal level that you'd like to see hold if the price isn't able to hold above this level. But the must-hold level, no excuses, is going to be back here at 0.001. We don't want to see this thing drop back down into triple zeros. And if you think about it, if this is truly a strong trend, then if the price even comes down here, it should have no problem holding at all. So 0.001 is going to be the key, no excuse level of support that needs to hold if the price even goes down there. I'm exaggerating the word if because I'm not saying it will, but if it does, it needs to be able to hold. There shouldn't be any reason why it doesn't. Now flipping to the other side of the equation, in terms of resistance levels, kind of a couple ways you can look at it. If you want to draw the trend line down here, you could say this is the resistance, but in order for the overall trend to remain appealing and all that good stuff, the key level that we're going to want to see some closes above will be the 0.0048 level. So this will be the key level of resistance, like I said, from monitoring the overall trend in terms of higher lows, which the chart has been doing, and higher highs, which it's also been doing. Sorry, I'm up here looking for what I wanted to grab. So once more, 0.001 must hold level on resistance or on support, 0.0048 the level that you want to see break on any sort of continued move upwards. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. We've been making some good money on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was ADSV. Thanks for listening.